One day, my wife got into our Ford Explorer and her feet got completely soaked. The passenger side footwell was completely full of water, just the right side. Everything else in the car was completely dry. No leaks from the windshield. The dashboard and glove compartment were completely dry. The door was completely dry. Everything was dry except the footwell. It was really puzzling. Come to find out, it's clogged sunroof drains. I never opened my sunroof. Turns out the sunroof, although it looks like it's completely sealed, it's not. It's designed to let water in and then let it drain out. The drains are located in each corner of the front side of the sunroof. I tried different things like snaking the drains with reed trimmer line and using one of those disposable compressed air cans. Neither one of those worked. What did work? An air compressor with a blowgun and a short length of vinyl tubing. It's not easy to access those drain holes because there's a lot of that sunroof track mechanism gizmo in the way. I had to devise a flexible system to be able to get the hose in there and create a more or less airtight contact with the openings so that I can blow some air in there and clean it out. So here's the setup that I used. Got me a Husky 7-piece blowgun kit and used the attachment to rig it so I could attach a vinyl hose at the end. I tried to use the extension that comes with the kit, but that didn't work because it's hard to reach in there, position it just right to get that seal. So the hose works good. I had to bevel the end of the hose so it would fit into the drain opening, more or less to make it airtight. So in terms of how much air to blow in, I wanted to make sure that I didn't damage the drain system. So I set the pressure at what I believe is a safe 30 pounds. Very importantly, the best way to blow this clean is to make sure that it's full of water. Even though it's clogged, eventually the water works its way out, except it doesn't go the correct way. In my case, it drained into the footwell. But anyway, the best way to blow this out is fill it up with water and then blow air in there. I did that on each side and it worked. Now, you know it's working when the water drains immediately and it drains behind the front wheels on each side. It's been about 6 months now, and we've had a lot of heavy drenching rains, and I haven't had a drop of water in my car at all.